This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Matt Wood. Wow, move-in ready home in Bartlett under $300,000. New LVP flooring in kitchen, breakfast room, dining room, great room, primary bedroom and bathrooms. Fresh paint throughout. Roof replaced a few years ago. Jumbo-sized primary bedroom with an ensuite bathroom featuring a large walk-in shower, whirlpool tub and double sink vanity. New garbage disposal, several new ceiling fans. Refrigerator remains. Well manicured yard and beds. For more information, review the details below or contact Matt Wood at 901-861-4808.